I want to show you how to get data analysis on. So first of all, if you go up here to Quick Links and you go to the Office 365, it's going to open this page. Now, I am logged in. If you are not logged in, you will need to log in at your Blackboard credentials, and then you want to install Office, okay? If you don't install it, if you use the internet, you can't do this, okay? So, and then we have the backups. So if for whatever reason you can't install it on your computer, then your backup is you're going to be using where I'm talking about the TI or StatCrunch. But if you have a computer that you can install it on, you've already paid for it, it's in your tech fee, you might as well get it. Install Office. Now, once Office is installed, and my Office is already installed, you're going to open up Office. So you go through the installation. You are going to then go here, and you're going to go down to Options, okay? This very bottom one says, well, maybe I'm trying to get it to say Options and not close there. Okay, so you're going to click on Options, okay? And then in here you want add-ins. Now you can see all mine are activated. You're going to go down here to Microsoft Manage. You're going to go to Go, and you're just going to click these, okay? So yours won't look like that. You're going to click them and then click OK. And then your data analysis wasn't here should appear there. So that's how you get it up once you install Office.